we're about to head out for breakfast in a town up to the north. All the roads look crazy dangerous, so we'll see how that goes. And then we're going to go and visit a glacier. I'm looking forward to that. And oh my goodness, everything's cleared up enough. I can see across there the harbour and beautiful snow-covered cliffs. So that's, this place is beautiful.
Okay. So, for Garnes, that's where we're headed.
We're going us for breakfast.
Yes, we are. And we're about to drive in the Iceland shit, so...
Wish us luck.
Oh shit, that's not good for me.
No, probably not.
Shit. No, no speed limit. No.
But yeah, over there, directly over that way, I think, is Reykjavik. We made it to breakfast.
Barely.
No, it was fine, totally fine. Wait, where did the mountain go?
What mountain?
So, we had breakfast. How many stars was yours?
4.5.
4.5,
Solid.
yeah. I'd say that too. It was pretty good. Now we are heading up into the mountains which previously disappeared and then reappeared. It looked like a snowstorm of some sort. So we're heading up to Husafell. We will take a tour of one of the glaciers.
Yes,
I
we
guess.
will.
Yeah.
Langjökull.
Oof,
I think.
we've got all the pronunciations.
I think.
Oh, it's beautiful. The snow is beautiful. Beautiful.
Half of my camera came off, rolled down, and landed plonk in the soil.
So what do they say about yellow snow? Is that the one you eat or not?
Don't drive in it.
Don't drive in it.
Let's see how the pole.
Guys, welcome aboard. My name is Mane, and I'm going to be your guide today. Yeah, it's adventure, right? Hi. Frozen waterfall, right over there. Yeah. Tiny.
And I forgot my wind socks with a microphone, so I'm not sure how this will go. We stopped for a toilet break, I think to let these guys past. is super cold. Where'd Shawn go? Where'd you get to?
I was taking a photo. Actually, we're not.
Yeah, I've got icicles. That is a lot colder than it is downstairs. Downstairs.
And you're gonna get crampons. I'm gonna show you how to put them on, and we're gonna take two. Stay on the mats. You can get large, medium. Work out here. Yes, we're so lucky. Everybody has 2 feet. And
We now have chains.
yeah, good.
Yeah, every time he makes fun of me for slipping over.
He needed these yesterday. I'm just saying.
We are now 10 meters below the surface of the glacier. The icy stripes in the wall indicate the conditions outside when that part of the glacier was formed. Amazingly, these brown sediment stripes were formed by sandstorms just 12 months apart.
So we are inside of a glacier. Dug out all of these tunnels. Very spooky.
This is a moulin, which is essentially a drain pipe for glacial runoff water, and this is a crevasse, which is a crack in the glacier itself.
So
Into the glacier.
we did the Into the Glacier tour.
Man-made tunnel into the heart of a living glacier.
Called, do you remember?
Lang something.
Langjökull.
That is perfect pronunciation.
Langjökull.
Long glacier.
Long glacier.
Yeah, and actually not that cold because we sheltered from the wind and stuff. So.
Exactly, we're indoors essentially, so it's about 0.
Yeah, which is all.
And we're
Reaching the end of the tunnel now.
yeah, it looks like we're gonna
Oh yeah, don't forget
exit into
the weather is bad.
glacier. Much better. It's snowing. Do I have to drive back in this?
We do.
Yeah, it's gonna be tricky.
Show them the landscape there. This is fine.
Feels fine.